Configuring Monday.com subitems is a powerful way to organize and manage complex data in your workflow. To get started, first navigate to your Monday.com board and click on the item you want to add subitems to. Then click on the three-dot menu next to the item name and select Add Subitem. This will create a new subitem under the main item. You can add as many subitems as you need, and each subitem can have its own set of columns and data. To configure the subitem, click on the subitem and then click on the plus icon next to the column name. This will allow you to add new columns to the subitem and customize the data that is displayed. You can add a variety of column types including text, date, and numeric columns. To manage the subitems, click on the main item and then click on the Subitems tab. This will display a list of all the subitems under the main item. From here you can edit, delete, or add new subitems as needed. Best practices for configuring subitems include keeping the subitem names concise and descriptive, using consistent naming conventions, and limiting the number of subitems to only what is necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Monday.com subitems to improve your workflow and increase productivity. Remember to keep your subitems organized and up to date to get the most out of this powerful feature.